Spider Tool Holster BitGripper version 2. Laminate cutter. Fast and easy to handle strip cutter for laminates. With it you get a clean cut, without splinters and without waste. It can cut plastic laminates and wood veneers. It has a micrometric regulation of the cutting thickness and a sliding guide on a millimeter scale, also with micrometric regulation to easily determine the width of the strip. Hydron Industrial removing elastomatic paint using RPR induction. The groundbreaking RPR induction technology utilizes induction heating produced from an electromagnetic field to allow the instant disbonding of materials from any steel substrate. Paint, passive fire protection, deck coverings, rust, and scale are all removed in a manner that is energy efficient, operator friendly, and more environmentally responsible than current conventional methods. USAG 324XP Giravite elettrico. Woodraphic's ruler. Woodraphic's ruler gives you the ultimate marking precision, allowing the user to mark up to the finest millimeter accurately. The Vernier scale and main scale were designed to slide smoothly into the main body, and it will fit onto objects perfectly. Woodraphic has a more accurate minimum measuring range than standard Vernier calipers, which can mark up to 0.05 millimeters, which is about 0.019 inches. SKF-25 Portable Plate Beveling Machine. The SKF-25 Portable Beveler bevels 15 to 60 angles on plate or pipe with continuously adjustable angles and land width up to 3/4. This compact beveling machine provides fast and easy preparation of weld seams with high-quality performance that allows for superior weld connections. Ideal for use on steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and non-ferrous metals. Wolf Tooth Pack Hanger Alignment Tool. The pack hanger alignment tool allows quick adjustments to the derailleur hanger while on the trail or in the workshop. Alignment fixes are fast and intuitive, as you only need to adjust the hanger handle until it is parallel with the indicator rod. By using the bike's axle as a reference, you don't need to be concerned with the wheel when making adjustments to the hanger. This new tool has included options for QR and through axle, and for uncomplicated and durable storage. The components of this tool also nest inside the handle. Le-Matic PD80 Edgeband Trimmer. The Le-Matic PD80 Edgeband Trimmer is designed for safe, straightforward operation. Beyond simple edgeband trimming, this tool is also ideal for hollow door or column edge trimming and makes for a solid addition to any professional or hobbyist's collection of tools. EcoSkate ROTO. With the transport trolleys of the EcoSkate ROTO series, loads can be moved and placed in cramped conditions with little space for maneuvering. An EcoSkate ROTO system consists of at least 3 skates, with which the load to be carried can be freely rotated 360. Special wheel boxes ensure the free mobility of each wheel. With the integrated handle, every roto skate can be precisely positioned. All EcoSkate Roto rotating skates are fitted as standard for universal use on all surfaces with polyurethane wheels and can be combined between themselves and with the EcoSkate Series Ideal and Duo. USAG 443N automatic wrench for oil filters. This automatic wrench for mounting and dismounting truck oil filters is one of a kind. In fact, thanks to its automatic belt tightening, it allows quick and comfortable use even in small spaces. It has a ratchet effect and also has a lever to increase the clamping power for a perfect grip of the filter. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.